My name's Andrew Bertels. I'm a construction inspector out here on the Rocheport Bridge project, and today we're finishing up the last deck pour on the bridge. It's 485 feet, around 840 yards of concrete. Placing it with a pump and a spider placer with a slick line. So we started about 5 a.m. this morning, and it should be poured out around 3 or 4 this afternoon. We'll get it covered with burlap and keep it wet for a week, and then it should be ready to get barrier wall placed the week of Thanksgiving. And then that first week of December, we're going to finish the expansion joints, and then be working on getting the bridge open to traffic by the end of December. While that is going on, we're continuing laying asphalt on the east and west end of the bridge to get the tie-ins to get it ready for traffic to be on the new bridge, and we're also starting to remove our excess down on the river and getting everything cleaned up. We're going to have all the asphalt completed by the end of next week, and it'll just be ready. We'll be waiting on the stripe and just all the final touches to get it open once everything's complete. Once this deck is poured, they're going to start offloading the cranes, and that's down there on our dock wall now. They're preparing to start offloading the cranes off the water, so you'll see those starting to get taken down. And we're going to start hauling our rock out from down below. Up above, you're going to see all the overhangs getting taken off, and just the final cleanup work before traffic gets put on.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to MoDOT Central Missouri District on social media for content on this project and more. Until next time, stay safe, remember to buckle up, and put your phones down.